Keeping your gear clean is really important. Even if you have weather sealed bodies and lenses, dust can be a problem, especially in front of your lens. But I do have a solution for that. What I have here is VSGO Air Blower, and that could be the solution. At least it has been for me. Hi, it's Peter here. But let's first do the disclaimer. This product was sent to me by VSGO, and I promised to make a video, but they have not seen this video before, nor have they said what to discuss about the stuff or the air blower in this video. So everything I say is based on me using the air blower for a few weeks. What do I use it for? Mainly cleaning my gear after a gig when I put it back to the storage, or using it for cleaning my gear when I make photographs of gear for my videos, because that has been a problem. If you've watched my videos for a long time, you know that there's been always a problem with the dust in the gear that I've photographed. Now I can get it a lot cleaner. And also cleaning the laptops, keyboards, and all kinds of other electronic stuff. It's really handy, as you will see. And it can also be used to clean the sensor. I will talk about that a bit later. But now let's talk about the specs. I have to check it so I say it right. It has a 100,000 RPM turbo motor, so it is quite effective. Let's turn it on, and as you hear, it was on full power. The wind speed is about 120 kilometers per hour when it's in full power. That's a heavy wind. And the speed can be adjusted. You turn it on, and I hope you can see the three LEDs on, and then I press it one. Now it's on second level, and now it's its slowest. And the level 1 is 20 meters per second. Level 2 is 29 meters per second, and the third one is the 34.5 meters in second. So it is really powerful tool to remove dust. The battery, which is this part here, is attachable. You press these two buttons on the side, and then it comes off, and it can be charged with USB-C. And it lasts about an hour with the minimum power and 40 minutes with the full power. And as I said, it can be charged with the USB-C, and the cord came with it. No charger, but we do have chargers quite a bit already, so that's not a problem. And the look and feel. It feels really premium, really professional, and it's well made, and it's really durable, so everything is top notch when you look at the build quality on this. The only negative thing about is the design, which is maybe more about usability. Well, let's talk about that. It's, as you see, the battery, it's kind of like this, what do you call it, rectangle, and very hard edges. So it's not, when you hold it, it's not designed very well. But on the other hand, it's not that you hold it for hours. So it really doesn't matter that much. But I would prefer slightly better design grip for this. It would be better, but that's probably the only negative thing that I can find. And the usability, as I already mentioned about the grip, that's not perfect. That's probably the only negative thing. And we have the power button, as I saw, it's in the top, and then we have the USB charging here, and then it does have also, which I didn't mention in the, whoops, let's turn it on first. Now it's on. It also has a small LED light there, which, to be honest, I don't know what it's good for. Maybe looking for the dust. Maybe on that it could be good. A long press will turn it on, and then small presses, it will change the power, as you see. 1, 2. Now it's on 1, 2, and 3, and then with long press we turn it off. And when it's on, you press this button in front to use it. It's very simple. Is it any good? Well, a short answer, yes, it is very good, as you see from these two images. The first one was a camera that's been collecting dust on the shelf, and the other one is, the other photograph is about the same equipment cleaned with this. So yes, it works really well. But then the big question, what about sensor cleaning? First, word of warning, always be careful if you are cleaning the sensor yourself. It's usually advised to go to a service facility for your camera or service repair shop. They can clean it for you. That's what I usually do if I get dust. But I wanted to try this, so I took my EM1 from the cabinet behind there and tested it if it works. I don't have that much dust on my sensors. On that part I'm pretty careful, and the dust reduction on Olympus cameras that I used to have and now on the Fuji camera is very good, so I very seldom see any dust. And on the other hand, I don't stop down to f16, f22 almost never, so it's not a problem. It's not visible on if you're using like f4 or something like that. You don't really see the dust. But if you have some dust, I can show you this can get rid of the dust. The two things that you have to remember is have it on minimum power so that only one light in front is visible or on, and then there's an air filter back here which needs to be on, and it will prevent from dust going in from here and going out. It will stop 99.7% of the particles that tries to get into the or through here and out there to mess up and add some dust to the sensor. But it won't, of course, if there is something stuck in the sensor, it won't clean that, so that needs to be mechanically done, which I don't recommend, but it can be done if you're very careful and know what you're doing. VSGO has some equipment for that too, if you're interested in that, and I have links to all the stuff that I've mentioned here in the description. So is it worth it? For me, yes, it has been worth it. It does a very good job in cleaning the dust of certain things, and with the brush, which I didn't mention, comes off if you don't need it. It has this, and then you just put the, whoa, not like that, maybe this way, and as you see, it's very durable. Nothing happened. Let's try if it works. Yeah, no problem. So it's durable, and the price is around $110, and as I said, I think it's worth it if you need to clean any electronic stuff or cameras or whatever. And as I said, for me the best thing has been cleaning the front of the lens before photo shooting. That's a real big thing. And I do have affiliate links in the description if you're interested in getting this. I think it's worth it with that money if you have a problem with dust on your gear or on your lenses. But hey, thanks for watching, and bye for now.